Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number 23D25CN. So this is your 9/16 replacement trailer stud with the cone nut, typically found on your 7K and 8K trailer axles. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is part number 23D25. It also marked right here, I don't know if you can see it on the video, 23D25CN. The CN means it has a cone nut with it, 9/16 by 18 standard cone nut. And this is 9/16 18 thread, commonly found on 7K axles and 8K axles with 9/16 studs, used on Carter axles, Dexter, Leopard, and a lot of other axles. So we'll just measure it out real quick and check it out. The overall length on it is going to be 2.48 inches, or might as well call it 2.5 inches. The head on it is going to be 0.76 inches, or 3/4 of an inch. The knurl diameter, which is most important, needs to match up. Can't be too small or it'll just fall right out of your hub. If it's too big, you're going to have a hard time pressing it into your hub. So that measurement's going to be 0.61 inches. And of course it's 0.55 inches on the threads, 9/16. Real common. If you shear off a stud, need a replacement stud and nut, got you covered. Just be sure to check your measurements. And if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.